Hello all, welcome back to the channel. In this session, let us see how to obtain the isometric projection for the given question. The question is like this. A sphere of diameter 50 mm rests centrally on a top of cube 50 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combination of the solid. The question is extremely simple. A sphere has to be placed on the cube of 50 mm. Let us make use of isometric sheet for this purpose. First thing is, let us draw a cube of 50 mm. What is a cube? All the dimensions are same. Length, breadth and depth are 50 mm. Now let us make use of isometric sheet for this purpose. Take any convenient point. Exactly at this point, draw one horizontal line. The length, breadth and depth of a cube are same. From this intersection point, cover 5 isometric grid points, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So for this ISO 50, draw a line. Since it is an object line, increase the thickness. Similarly, from this end, measure ISO 50, that is cover 5 intersection point, 5 ISO intersection point, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. From this point, once again, cover 5 intersection point. The point is here. Draw a line. Similarly, from this point, draw one more line. So what is your observation? The front two lines are object line. It is clearly visible. It is darkened. The rear two lines are invisible. Actually, that forms invisible. Later, it has to be removed. As of now, I have drawn with the minimum thickness. Now, make use of the scale to draw the height of the cube. What is the height of the cube? Once again, measure 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 would be here. That means to say that from here to here is ISO 10, ISO 20, ISO 30, like that. Similarly, from this point, cover ISO 50 mm. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Similarly, from this point as well. Followed by same procedure from this point. Yes, join the new intersection point here. So this is the isometric projection of a cube. There is a sphere of diameter 50 mm exactly placed on the center of the cube. So now first thing, let us obtain the center of the cube. So this is 50 mm. Let us take the midpoint. ISO 25. Mark ISO 25. Mark ISO 25, mark ISO 25. Join the midpoints. Join the opposite midpoints. Now you can see there is a perfect intersection point. Now this would be the center of the cube. Exactly at this point, a sphere of diameter 50 mm has to be drawn. Please do remember, sphere, hemisphere, cut sphere should not be converted to isometric. These three things should be as per the actual scale. The remaining dimensions has to be converted to isometric. Now, from this point, let us measure iso radius. But sphere is not converted to isometric, but the axis of the sphere is converted to isometric. Let us mark ISO 25 from this point. ISO 25 means make use of compass, measure ISO 25. How to measure ISO 25 is the question. So this is ISO 10, this would be ISO 20 and this would be ISO 25. So ISO 25 would exactly come to the topmost point. Now this is the center of the sphere. Now measure actual 25. Actual 25 is 2.5 centimeters in the normal scale. Now from this new point as the center, construct a circle. This would be the solution. So we should rectify the sketch. What is that rectification means? This midlines what we have done, the construction lines is not required. Please remove it, erase it. And when the observer is looking from the front, the rear lines is invisible. It has to be minimized in its thickness. Make use of eraser to remove this one. If you want to retain the lines means you can retain with the minimum thickness. Next, this construction line is not required as I told you. Please remove it. Now, don't you think for the cube topmost portion is visible up to this region. Further, this portion is not visible for the reason the sphere is in front of it. So let us remove even this portion of the line. And this is the axis we have drawn. Axis, you can show it. Axis line representation is line, small line, big line, small line, show as the axis. And for the observer looking from the front, this portion of the line is not visible. Please remove this as well. This would be the final solution. Do not show any dimension. Do not name any corner. You can show only the angular dimension. Linear dimension should not be drawn. Show the angular dimension. Since this is a tutorial video, for your understanding purpose, I will call this one as ISO 25, ISO radius 25. But this is actual radius 25. This completes the solution. Request you to share with your friends. Do subscribe to this channel. I will talk to you in the comments. Have a nice time. Bye.